ELI5. Y is ye, the only word we ever see with y replacing the thorn character instead of th. The was written with a thorn, as e, back then, which was shortened by moving the e onto the top of. In cursive form, it looked like this. https upload.wikimedia.org/wiki/thumb/8/me_ye.svg/205px-me_ye.svg.png. Eventually, due to the introduction of the printing press, the thorn was abandoned in favor of th. I hope that we can get back though. It resembles modern the y we see in modern times. For comparison, the actual y was written as y. I think an interesting follow-up question is how did th end up used for both th sounds, the one closer to vv and the one closer to fff, like in that and theory, respectively. If the sound in that is coming in English from the rune thorn, was there another rune for the sound th in theory or thong? There is thou and you. Does that count? Seems there might have been a yat. From Wiki. The first printing of the King James Version of the Bible in 1611 used ye for the in places such as Job chapter 1 verse 9, John chapter 15 verse 1, and Romans chapter 15 verse 29. It also used YT as an abbreviation for that in places such as 2 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 7. All were replaced in later printings by the or that, respectively. So yeet used to be theet, till. Dost thou nugs bequeath me? Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.